Hi, honey.
We all desire a comfortable and welcoming house. The temperature control is important for everyone's well-being, for us and for our families. Caleffi CODE is the new connected system that, thanks to its wireless sensor, allows you to regulate the temperature of your radiators from remote. With Caleffi CODE, you can also control manually the temperature of each room. Or you can quickly program all its functionalities in every possible situation. Even when you are far from home. Caleffi CODE, the beauty of intelligence.